So that's been an interesting personal challenge for me, because of the guy that used to know everything about the business, and I mean everything about the business, and actually the guy that used to run the finance function in the business as well. So we evolved from that position probably 2009. I've now got a finance team. In actual fact, we've now got a managing director, and we've got a senior group executive as well, who are effectively operationally running the firm day to day. It is challenging, and it's a huge adjustment period for somebody like myself, and indeed my co-board directors, to really shift away from the operational minutiae into a more strategic view for the firm. But actually, it's when you can let go of the day-to-day operational stuff, you can actually start to strategize and look to the future in terms of growing the company.